Good evening. Welcome to America's Got Talent.
I'm a little afraid now. I don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah.
And you are you. What? Do you have a name? You're taped. You're taped. What are you going to be doing? You don't know.
So, what is this?
Maybe will we talk after?
Maybe.
Okay, I love a mystery. Go ahead and do what it is you do.
There's only you in my life, the only thing that's right.
My first love, your every breath that I take, your every step I make,
And I want to share all my love with you. No one else will do.
and your eyes, they tell me how much you care. Oh yes, you will always be my endless love.
Never seen you looking so lovely as you did tonight. Never seen you shine so brilliant. Never seen so